What's up, everyone? It's Carlos with Toy Gigante. Let me go spray paint this with some more primer. That way, if I add any more parts, it'll be easy to see what I am adding to it. So let's go do that right now. But this is where we left off last time. And as you can see, that piece will hold these engines in place. Okay. Okay, it's definitely getting there, and it's going to be green, but I haven't, that'll be the last thing we do, but I just wanted a uniform look to it real quick. That's all I'm trying to do right now. Okay. So, this is much better, and now it's one color again, so you can see what I'm going to be doing. And I found this piece was from a windshield wiper, and I'm going to put this over here. I think it'll look cool right here, like that. So I'm gonna glue it on there. And I'm gonna add a little bit of detail. I have this little foot that I casted. I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna use this this headphone jack, a little piece of styrene. So I'm gonna put something together, just detail it up so it looks like it has some kind of purpose, and then I'll glue it in place. Yeah, it's just whatever I can find. Styrene tube. That little stereo thing I told you about. This is a hospital tag clip. A mang bolt. So this is going to go back here. Like so. And, oops. And that's that. I think that's gonna look cool. Just trying to add a little bit more detail. Trying to get creative. There we go. That'll do it. All right, there we go. That looks cool. That'll work. Just want it to look like it's part of the plane. Okay, so. Let's see what else we can do, huh? I'm glad I kept that windshield wiper piece. I knew it would come in handy one day. Always collect pieces of junk. And you'll see that sometimes they're not junk. You can do a lot. Okay, I'm gonna do one more primer paint job in a few minutes. I'm just gonna do one more thing, and then we're almost there actually, but just a few more things. I'm very excited at this point. Been a lot of fun so far. Right. When things are meant to be, they just work so well. I found this at my job. It was gonna get thrown away. You can put, it's for to put two cables together, and then you lock it in place and it stays like that. But I was looking at it, and what I'm gonna do is cast one side in some resin, and then I'm going to put it right here like that, and I think that's gonna look cool, and it's gonna resemble more of the original design right here. It kind of looks like that. I'm kind of working with the 3D print, but as you can see, I'm making my own at this point. But let me go get some resin, fill it in there, and that shouldn't take too long. And then once I glue it on, I just give it a quick I'll just check it out, and if everything looks good, I'm gonna just do the final primer, and then I want to paint it green just to see how it looks. Okay, from the piece I was just talking about that I got from work that I was gonna throw away, but I was like, no, I need that piece. I got this. So the inside of this is just this. So that's what it looks like now. Like I said, I wanted it to resemble this piece a little bit. Okay. So I'm just about done. I'm gonna paint it in a few minutes, and we'll see how it looks. But that's just a piece of resin that I mold and casted real quick. Okay, I added a couple more parts here. A few more bolts, as you can see. And I added this piece right here. And a few pieces on the belly. So now I'm going to paint it up. That just fits perfectly. It's meant to be. Things just happen and work out. It's a great thing. Letting everything dry up real quick, and then we'll do the first pass of green just to get an idea of the color. Yeah, it's getting there. Yeah, it just came out so nice. This is what I'm using for the entire body. This is the Rust-Oleum camouflage. I'm gonna be using black for the engine and the landing gear. So it's great paint I get at the hardware store. Let's do that first, and then we'll do the body in green. So I got the belly right here. Let's paint the green. Alright. Again, Rust-Oleum, flat, deep forest green. Okay. Now you're learning all my secrets. It's such a nice green. It really goes on smooth. The Rust-Oleum, it's really nice. You can see a little bit of the red. I wanted that to show up so it looks a little rusty. Okay, that's why I did this color first, and then lightly spray painted over it. I wanted a little bit of red to show, so it looks like it's been outside for a while. Put the canopy on real quick. Let's see how that looks. Try not to scratch it. There we go. And now you're getting an idea of what we're gonna be working with towards the end. It's not quite yet done yet, but soon enough, okay? Soon enough. Alright, good. see that red sticking out. That's what I wanted. This piece though, it still amazes me. It's just a medical piece and it works so well. Just meant to be, I swear. I'll let that dry for a little bit. Alright everyone, I'm gonna end the video. A lot of fun doing this. Still gotta glue everything in place. I have the interior I have to do. I have the I have some weapons I want to put on it and things like that. Decals, small decals. But it's getting there. Okay, and now you know what it is. Now you can definitely tell what it is. Making this for classified. This is the personally I feel this is the proper size of the vehicle. This is how it should be, if you ask me. All right everyone, thank you for watching. More soon. Have an excellent day. Talk to you later. Peace.